Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another session of folding some origamis. We go. Okay. Today's session. Yeah, just let you go late like that first. Okay. Yeah. Okay. For this session, we're gonna do a butterfly. This butterfly though, it looks kind of cool, but I don't know, the shape and the feel of it is kind of weird. I prefer my own butterfly, which is where is my own butterfly. Yeah, sorry for the mess. It's like so many origamis here. Oh damn, where's my butterfly? No. No, this is a tiny one. I'm sorry. Welcome to the finding my origami butterfly session. Seriously, where is my butterfly? Oh, there you are. My goodness, it's hidden like right between the so this is my butterfly. Not say my butterfly. This is a different type of folding butterfly. So I prefer this kind of shape because it looks more 3D but it's okay. We're gonna fold this first, and then later on we're gonna try fold this butterfly with another scrap paper. I think I have another blue square paper. Yeah, I have a blue square paper. So we're gonna do a different but we're gonna do two butterflies today. So let's get started. I'm gonna put the butterfly here so it's front and center. Okay, cool. So first off, we're gonna do a triangle fold. Wait, let me go down. Okay, triangle fold on both sides. Okay, somehow the zoom. Oh, sorry for the movement. Sorry for the camera movement. The zooming is still erratic. Kalau is here by the way, Kalina. Tengah golek-golek. So okay, we got the fold on both sides. And then we're gonna do another one down here. We do a square fold or a hello, Kalu. Yo. Okay, a book fold down and a book fold up. This is more for guidelines rather than actual folding. So now we're gonna see, since we have the guide here, so we can do a fold like that. Ideally we try to get it as close as possible, but knowing certain folds it's a bit hard to get it quite perfect, but we'll try our best. Just come in here and relax if you want. Just put it on play and listen to the soothing guitars and background music. Squeeze. Okay, so I got the fold. Okay, and then I'm gonna fold. I already did like from here to here, go behind. I'm gonna do it like this on all four sides. I try to make it as accurate possible, but I can tell already from this point it's already offset a bit, but it's okay. We just fold as much as you can. Okay, so once we get that and we open it up, we just want to make the what you call it, we just want to make the creases for the guides. So okay, so once we got these guides, alright, we're gonna do like half a fold, half a book fold, just so the crease is more complete. on all sides. Just do this side. This one is a reverse fold. Okay. Right. So we got that. Now we're gonna try. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Now we're gonna try doing a squash fold, which is like you would turn like that. Okay. And then you would turn this side also, and this thing will come down and it become like a roof, or well, you can look down like a mushroom or a house. It looks like a house right now. Okay, so just squeezing the folding so it sticks better. So now I'm gonna do the same for the other side. So just like that. Again, the creases helps with this fold. If you don't do the creases beforehand, it's very difficult for it to automatically fold in like this. Okay, so we got it like this, and we're gonna, now we got like this, we're gonna they call it the mountain fold. So basically this fold back. So like at this point, this is where if you don't fold properly, it will be hard, because at this point it might tear. But we just, if it knots, then it's okay. We can just like squeeze and pinch that point, because later it will look a bit different. We're gonna kinda, it's gonna be hidden sorta. So okay. So at this point, we're gonna fold down this flap and this flap. Okay, and we're gonna lock this flap by doing a small fold here. This is like it will lock, but not say lock or what, it will hold this flap. Rather, see, now I'm trying to go back, it's a bit hard. This is, I can still, so it's like a locking flap, and it also does help with the shape of the butterfly. So you can see already it's like the bottom half of the wing. So okay, so once those is done, we're gonna fold in half, just this way. Okay, then we're gonna fold like a bit of diagonal here, so that the bottom wing is free. So we're not gonna fold from the bottom, we're gonna fold from this point, from this point. So alright, so I'll try to fold it as close as possible. Okay, so you can see it's a bit of a diagonal fold. So okay, gonna do the same for the other side. Okay, just adjust a bit here and there, and there you have it. Ta-da! So you can see it looks quite nice. You can use it like from this side or this side. I might prefer this side because it looks cleaner here because of the locking flaps, but well, this is how to fold one butterfly. So I already did this, so just see comparison front and back. So you can, so if you have a very pretty design paper, then you can imagine the patterns that will be appearing on this side. Okay, so that's done for this butterfly. So now we're gonna try, where's the little one? We're gonna try to fold this butterfly, which is actually more my favorite, because it's very shapely. It looks more 3D. So it looks like, because I have a box here, so if you like can can put it like that, so it's kind of cool. Hint, this is actually from a game, the box and the butterfly. So later, whoever watched this video later can tell me what's the significance of this box and butterfly. Okay, so we're gonna try doing this butterfly. It's actually, this one is much easier than this big butterfly, so I'm gonna put it there. So I'm gonna take another square paper. This is a scrap paper I have lying around. Okay, so the first step is to do a, we're gonna do again, oh okay, we're gonna do a triangle fold. So first fold backwards that way, and then backwards this way. So we basically want a T. Kalau ngap butterfly, I know ngap the butterfly is like so big, right? Ngap. Okay, well, it's okay. You can put the butterfly on top of Kalo, so okay. Okay, or like that. Okay, so we make a T here. Alright, and then we're gonna do an X this way. Okay, there's a reason we're gonna do all this fold, so just bear with me with a moment. So you did one line here, we're gonna do another line there this way. Okay, so what happened is, if I oops, I think I did it reverse. I want to do it like this. Okay, I think I need to undo this one. It should be okay, my bad. Okay, hold on, let me reverse fold everything. So it should, okay, there you go, it should look like this. Alright, let me maybe find another angle which is better. No, I think I need to adjust the, okay, alright, okay, right, I think this is the better angle. Alright, cool. So once you have this, like from here it becomes like this. Okay, we're gonna do it V shape first. We take the front flap and put it forward, fold it down for both sides. Okay, and then for the back here, we're gonna, instead of doing it half, oh, there's a nice butterfly icon. Instead of doing half, we're gonna actually do more than half. This is where the 3D shape comes in. So we're gonna like curve the thing a bit so that this thing can go over, because we want, wait a minute, why it looks a bit different? Correct lah kan? Yeah, correct. It's just, yeah, I think I just need to push it a bit more. So this is where it's a bit difficult. So let me just try curve it a bit more. Okay, because we want that small fold to lock at the top. So basically just pinch this down a bit and pinch it, so then you can see it's like a bit of a lock. So then I will pinch it this way a bit, adjust the shape, the wing shape, so you can see already it looks nicer. Just gonna, if I can curve this part a bit more. Okay, alright. So you can see now it looks much nicer, but this part folds a bit too much. Maybe if I can just hollow this part out, just make it more rounder. So yeah, this should do it. So I'm just gonna lock it back down again. Okay, so now it looks much nicer. So there you go. Ta-da! Now this butterfly is much nicer. I mean, this is my personal preference, but if you prefer a more, this is like a very geometrical butterfly. So, and it has two different sides. I mean, this is also different side, but this is considered like the bottom side. This is the top side. But this one you can choose whether you want this the top side or this is the top side. Either one works fine. So, but yeah, so that's how you fold this kind of butterfly. It's much simpler, and if you shape it nicely, it will look very nice. So just gonna curve it a bit. I'm just pinching it here, so it's kind of like locks that little triangle there. So you can see now Carlo has two butterflies. Carlo's eye color better. It's like blue. Very rare for a black cat to have blue eyes. So okay. It's like okay. Okay. So that's it for today's session of folding butterflies. So we fold this butterfly and we fold this blue butterfly, which is a different shape. So yes, I think that's it for tonight. Thank you for watching. Cute. and then last thing to say, Kalina, before I end this session, it's very short. Yeah, because it's a simple fold. This is just like only 17 minutes, so it's not that much, but it's like, I think if I put a glue at his butt, then it's like have a tail, like a ribbon for the tail. It's like, or maybe it looks like a bunny. Okay, any last words before I name? Fits color very well. Thank you. Okay, so thank you for watching. And the next session is going to be a full call. What's it called again? Yako-san. Okay, it's gonna be called Yako-san. Okay, so it's something like a kimono, but it's more like a helper or something. Gonna do more thorough research. Pikachu. I hope you watch the Pikachu video in YouTube. That one, the so yeah. So next session will be this Yako-san. Very simpler fold. So look forward to it. So yeah, Yako-san. It's very simple. Okay. Thank you for watching, and have a good night, good day. Yeah, bye bye.